While focusing our breathing process, there is no hurry. See, we have started this journey while assuming as there are energy centers. And with more confidence, with more positivity, we have to believe that there are energy centers. There are energy centers, and we can definitely empower them, balance them, make them more harmonious while simply observing them, while focusing over them as a witness, while meditating over them. So, while closing the eyes, now, this time, while observing the breath, we simply have to lead our focus. We simply have to lead our focus from breath to the base chakra to the Mooladhara chakra. Yes, there is a base center. We all might have seen that image of chakras over our body. We simply have to assume that there is an energy center or the base chakra at the perineum level in a circular manner. It resembles the stability and balance in life. So simply for gaining more stability and balance in life, we simply have to observe this very chakra of Mooladhara. Yes, the name of this chakra is Mooladhara chakra, the base center. We simply have to focus over it. We simply have to focus over it. This is like simply assuming it over the perineum section at the base level. Simply we have to focus over the base chakra and we have to give command. We have to boost the chakra with our thinking, with our thought, with our words. We have to say that my chakra, my base chakra, I am looking at you and I am feeling more harmony at the base chakra. My base chakra is becoming more energetic, active and powerful. At the same level, more harmonious and more humane. Yes. Slowly and gradually, I am growing into the capacity of stability of life. Because of this base chakra, because of balance, strength, and harmony at the base chakra, I am feeling, I am observing, I am taking my attention to the base chakra. I am observing it. I am feeling harmony over it. I am feeling stability over it. My base chakra is becoming more clearer, becoming more powerful, becoming more holistic, becoming more humane. I am cleansing my base chakra. I am cleansing my base chakra. I am cleansing the negative energy. If there is any negative energy at my base chakra, then I am trying to clean it. I am trying to heal it. My base chakra is becoming more energetic, more powerful, more balanced, more harmonious. Yes, a simple and gentle approach of assumption as there is a chakra of Mooladhara and it may be provide us stability in our life, provide stability in our body, breath and mind so that we are urging it, we are cleaning it, we are cleansing it, we are purifying it towards more harmony, towards more divine unknown. So simply while closing the eyes, while focusing over base chakra, assuming that there is a base chakra at the bottom level of the perineum, right? Or at the base of our spine. Simply observe the base of our spine. Wherever our spine ends, we have to observe that portion, imaginary, through the mind, simply witnessing, observing, feeling it, experiencing it as base chakra is getting clearer, more purifier, more holistic, more harmony, more energy, more balance, and more stability. Feeling the base chakra, base chakra is getting clearer now. Base chakra is getting more purified. Base chakra is getting more energetic. I'm cleansing my base chakra. I'm cleansing my base chakra. I'm cleansing my base chakra. I'm healing my base chakra. Base chakra, Mooladhara chakra, Mooladhara chakra, Mooladhara chakra, Mooladhara chakra, base chakra, base chakra, cleansing, 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 healing, 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 while simply observing it, while simply observing it. Observe, observe, think, focus, observe, observe, observe. Base chakra is getting cleansing. Base chakra is cleansing now. I'm cleaning the base chakra. I'm healing the base chakra. Focus over base chakra. Focus over base chakra. Focus over base chakra. Base chakra. Base chakra. Base chakra. Cleansing. Cleansing. Purifying. Cleansing. Assuming that there is an energy center and we are simply commanding through our mind to that base chakra, to that energy center, that clean yourself, make yourself more powerful, give me stability in life, give me stability in my body, in my mind, in my breathing, in my complete element, whatever I am as a human being. Provide me stability, or make yourself more stable so that by and by even I can make myself more stable. Simply by making this base chakra more stable, more clearer, I am stabilizing, I am harmonizing my body, breath and mind. Focus over base chakra. Now simply while observing the base chakra, raising this energy of attention from base chakra to the Swadhisthana chakra, to the chakra of creativity, to the sex center, to the chakra of creativity, to the Swadhisthana chakra. Just simply 4 fingers above from the base chakra or 4 fingers below from the navel center. Focus over Swadhisthana chakra, assuming that there is an energy center of Swadhisthana, of chakra of creativity. Focus over the Swadhisthana chakra. Focus over the Swadhisthana chakra. Focus over the Swadhisthana chakra and urging it, empowering it to raise the very part of creativity of our life, empowering the creativity of our life, empowering the energy what we already have, the energy of creativity. We simply have to empower it through messaging, through conveying this message of empowerment that Swadhisthana chakra is becoming more clearer. I am cleansing it, I am healing it, I am purifying it. Focus over Swadhisthana chakra, chakra of creativity, Swadhisthana chakra. I am cleansing my Swadhisthana chakra. It provides me more creativity, more imagination, more innovative power, more innovative mindset, more creative mindset. Simply observing this chakra of creativity and trying to clean it through the attention, through the concentration, through observing, through witnessing it, through witnessing the Swadhisthana chakra. Swadhisthana chakra is getting clearer. Swadhisthana chakra is getting clearer. Swadhisthana chakra is getting clearer. I am empowering my Swadhisthana chakra. I am looking at my Swadhisthana chakra. I am healing it while rubbing my right hand over it in a circular manner. Like imaginary, there is a Swadhisthana chakra. There is an energy center and I am cleaning it. I am cleansing it. I am purifying it. I am healing it. I am empowering it. Swadhisthana chakra, Swadhisthana chakra, Swadhisthana chakra, healing it. Swadhisthana chakra, observing the Swadhisthana chakra. Now relax. Simply observe the Swadhisthana chakra. Focus, 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 focus. Swadhisthana, Swadhisthana, Swadhisthana chakra. Observe, 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 observe. While simply placing hands below four fingers to the navel center, placing hands over the chakra of creativity, over the Swadhisthana chakra, and simply empowering it, healing it, cleansing it, giving energy to it. Now rotating again in a circular manner over the Swadhisthana chakra, empowering it, cleansing it, Swadhisthana chakra. Now relax.